Hey everyone, welcome back. If you think computer programming is super hard and confusing, don't worry. From today, we are going to learn Python in the easiest and most fun way possible. Every app you swipe, every game you play, and every cool AI website has a hidden superpower behind it. Computers don't understand English. They only know zeros and ones. So, how do we talk to these crazy machines? That is where Python comes in. It acts like a magical translator that turns simple human words into machine commands. Unlike other boring, complicated coding languages, Python is built to look just like simple, plain English text. Anyone can learn it. With Python, you can build automation bots, create smart artificial intelligence, or even analyze deep space data. It is limitless. Want to tell the computer to show something? You just use one simple, powerful command called the print function. Writing print hello world inside brackets is the ultimate tradition. It is how every single developer begins their journey. The moment you press enter, Python reads your text line, translates it instantly, and wakes up the computer's brain. And just like magic, the machine instantly replies back to you. You officially made a computer talk to you. This is just step one, Mawa. In the next episode, we unlock variables. Subscribe now and let's master Python together.